is on parallel and perpendicular lines. Trying to write the equations of lines that are parallel or perpendicular. So here we go. Take good notes. Two lines that are parallel have what kind of slope? Same slope. So if they're parallel, you know what? M will be the same. How about B? Will B be the same? No. B will be what? Different. Okay? If B were the same as well as M, what would you have? Same line. Coinciding line. Okay? So this is an example of two equations whose lines will be parallel. They both have a slope of what? Of 3. You can see that the y-intercepts are different. So if they were the same, they would be coinciding. This is what you need to write down as you note. The equations of two parallel lines have the same slope and two different y-intercepts. Okay, read that to us, Aaron.
If line A has a slope of 4, then which of these 4 lines is parallel to line A?
Okay, which one of these will be parallel to A? D. Okay. So here we're showing you the graph of each line. You can see they're parallel, and you can see that they have different y-intercepts. What we're concerned with will be the equations of these two lines. We're going to be writing equations. So the slopes M will be exactly the same. So here we're given what? Points of two lines, and they want to know if they will be parallel. So what could we do to answer this question? Doctor? Find the slope. How? Huh? By using y2 minus y1 over x2. Or what's the other way we could do it? What's the other way, Jacob? Graph. And see if they're parallel. So we're going to do it by the slope formula. So 5 minus 1, 4 minus negative 2 will give us what? 4 over 6. And that reduces to what? 2/3. So line 1 has a slope of 2/3. And now we'll do line 2. And you can see that line 2 also has a slope of 2/3. So that tells us what, Elizabeth? The two lines are what? They're parallel to each other. Okay? By the information given here, can you tell me the y-intercept just by looking at either line? Can you go ahead and tell me B or the y-intercept of either line? Line 1, no. Line 2, what's the y-intercept? 0, negative 2, what does that tell you? X is 0, y is negative 2, that's going to be the y-intercept. So sometimes that will be there, and you can see that and save you some work. Okay. Okay. Another topic today is perpendicular lines. Okay. Tell me the definition. Or give me an example of two in this room. Where do you see two perpendicular lines? Anybody? Aaron?
Where the corners meet at the top.
Where the corners meet up top. Line going up, line going across, they're perpendicular to each other. They form what kind of angle? 90 degree, okay? So let's look at the slopes now. Can you read that to us, please, Elizabeth? Are negative reciprocals. Okay? Read that to us, please, start with A.